Hi guys, I am Ada. Welcome to my channel. So today's video is part 2 of my series on how to start a YouTube channel. Alright, so if you're already subscribed to me, thank you very much for subscribing. If you are not, please hit that subscribe button so that you can follow along this series. Alright, so this part is how to make YouTube videos. So I'm going to show you how to actually make the videos. I showed you how to start a channel. So now the channel has started. Now you need to start making videos and start uploading them. Okay, so this is how you make videos. So the first thing you need is a phone. Okay, so if you have a phone, you're already on your way to making videos. So now all you need to do is buy a ring light. You just order it from Amazon. They're pretty cheap. I think no more than 50 bucks. And you know, it's just something that the camera is going to stand on. It's adjustable so that, you know, it gets the angle that you want. All right, instead of looking for somewhere to place your camera or somebody to take a video of you, you can just do it all by yourself, you know, by just using the ring light. Okay, to start making videos, you got to come up with different ideas. Okay, video ideas. You know, I suggest you come up with a whole bunch so that you can just make a whole bunch of videos and have them ready to be uploaded on a regular schedule, because you know you want to have a regular schedule to be uploading videos. You can't make one video now and then 2 months later you're still thinking about what you're going to make your next video on. So come up with different video ideas so that you can make a whole bunch of videos. You can make 2 or 3 videos at a time and then just upload them as you are, you know, scheduled to upload them. Okay, so I gave you 25 video ideas in my previous video. All right, so I'm going to link that here so that you can check those out and use those to make your videos. Okay, but so you write down your ideas. Okay, so once you know what you're going to do your video on or make your video on, okay, so you get a pen and paper and write down, you know, the details of how you're gonna speak on your video, what you're gonna say about your video. All right, so because you want to, you know, gather your thoughts and put it in writing, because if you don't, you're probably gonna forget some things. Okay, so this is your guide as you're making the video. You need that guide, you need that piece of paper to guide you. Okay, because as you're speaking, you may forget certain things, and if you have that paper, you can refer back to it. Just glance at it, and you know that will remind you what you need to say next. I mean, you're not gonna sit there and read it, because you know we can read, you know, so you don't want to read it. Okay, that's not what we're doing here. So you memorize as much of it as possible and then have your paper on standby to guide you. And then you want good lighting. You have to have good lighting when you're making your videos, okay, because people don't want to be squinting to see you, right? And you also need to have good audio. You need to speak loudly enough for people to hear you. They don't want to be trying to listen very carefully to hear what you're saying, because they will skip your video and go to next, right? So you want to speak loudly enough for folks to hear what you're saying. All right, so those are the tips. You know, there's not really a whole lot to making a video when it comes to actually doing the recording. Most of the work is done behind the scenes beforehand. All right, the preparation, the gathering your thoughts and putting your thoughts together on how you're going to present this video. All right, it's a lot of work, I tell you, you know, and then once you're done with it, the next step is to edit the video. Okay, so you don't have to speak so fluently that the speech is perfect, but it needs to be good enough so that you don't have to spend so much time editing. Okay, so that's why it's good to practice or what you're gonna say beforehand, to become comfortable with it so that you don't make so many mistakes as you're speaking, because then the editing will take you forever. It's already hard enough to edit, but if you are just stuttering throughout the whole video, then it makes it just twice as much as difficult. Okay, so that's it. That is really it about making a video. So the next step or the next video that I'm gonna put out will be editing. Okay, I use KineMaster to edit my videos. So I am going to show you in my next video how I edit on KineMaster. All right, so you gotta set your post notifications so that you can catch the rest of the steps. All right, don't wanna miss out. So So set your post notification on so that you can get the rest of the videos that I'm going to post. If you are not already subscribed, please subscribe, hit the subscribe button and subscribe so that you can see everything else that I'm about to post. And if you are already subscribed to me, thank you very much for subscribing and keeping on watching my videos. I so appreciate you all. All right, thank you and have a blessed day.